Okay, Draper, 6th grade class of 2020. You are an incredible bunch of students, and we have absolutely loved every second that we've gotten to spend with you and share some science fun stuff with you too. We are so sad that we had to end our year this way. This has been crazy, but you guys have been such troopers. You have been coming online and working so hard and continuing to give us your best, and we are so incredibly proud of you. We are just amazed at what you have in you now, and we know as you go forward in life and starting off at Cooper next year that you are going to be so outstanding in everything that you do. We know that you are going to impress all of your Cooper teachers next year, and you are going to grow so much and give so much back to those who are around you. We love you, we miss you, and good luck next year at Cooper Junior High.